Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. We will learn how to get Hydroid in Warframe. Hydroid is a Warframe obtained by defeating a specific boss on Earth and collecting his component blueprints. To start farming Hydroid, open your navigation menu and go to Earth. Select the mission node Oro, which is the assassination mission against Councillor Vay Hek. If you haven't unlocked this mission yet, that's normal, as it requires progression through the early star chart. As you can see, I'm also a newcomer to the game, but I'll guide you through the steps. Vay Hek is a multi-phase boss fight. During each phase, wait for his face to open and shoot directly at it to deal damage. After taking enough damage, he will move to the next phase. In later phases, Vay Hek uses a larger mechanical form and may retreat before re-engaging. Continue the mission until the boss is fully defeated. Each successful run has a chance to drop one Hydroid component blueprint, including Hydroid neuroptics, Hydroid chassis, and Hydroid systems. You'll need to repeat the mission multiple times until you collect all three parts. Once you have all the component blueprints, open the in-game market. Use the search bar and search for Hydroid. Then purchase the Hydroid main blueprint for 50,000 credits. After crafting all components and the main blueprint in the Foundry, Hydroid will be ready to claim. And that's it. You've learned how to get Hydroid by defeating Councillor Vay Hek on the Oro mission on Earth, farming all the component blueprints, and buying the main blueprint from the market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.